Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Wise Guys Entertainment. This is your host, Wyman. Let's see. All right. So I guess slowly it'll start reconnecting to all the platforms. We'll see if that happens. Okay, so. All right, so I'm composing a reply to Rumble support. Maybe I'm testing. Excuse me. And I made the following observations. 1 period, space, space. Trying to use voice dictation, but it's not doing it. It takes a long time for it to reconnect to all the services whenever I start a stream. Period. I am presently configured with Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, Twitch, locals. Period. Rumble and locals is usually the first to connect, but sometimes it is Twitch and locals. Period. But it takes quite a while for it to connect to all the platforms on its own, period. Sometimes I can nudge it to reconnect a touch faster by intentionally clicking on the links in the top right corner in Rumble Studio, period. 2, period. In the top right corner of the screen, it says Rumble Studio, and I don't know how to remove that, period. It's very distracting and gets in the way, period. In the bottom left corner of the screen, it says Wise Guys Entertainment's screen. I can't find a way to resize it or remove it, period. Ideally, I like to remove it because it's interfering or distracting from the screen share, period. Okay. Oh, let me see. How is this going? Your system's up to date, really? Refresh. Downloading package information. Finding lists of updates. System is up to date. Well, if it's up to date. Alright, so I'm at. How is this up to date if there's a version 21 out there? Archive manager, driver manager, extensions. Can I drag this over here? Add to panel. Add to favorites, I guess. Oh, it puts it over here. So what is panel? Whoops. Can I get this to keep? About configure. And now enable mouse scrolling on Windows list. Reverse the direction. No. Window buttons can have different sizes and use the entire space available. Show window thumbnails on hover. Add to panel. Ah, there it is. That's what I was looking for. Okay. I don't really need it on my favorites. Excuse me. Remove from favorites. So files, command prompt, settings, software manager. Oops. Oh, I have another question. 4. In order to be eligible for ad reads, comma, do you need a minimum of 10 viewers total, comma, or a minimum of 10 viewers on Rumble specifically? Question mark. Even though on average every one of my simultaneous live streams via Rumble Studio automatically terminates after 30 minutes, comma, some platforms will occasionally end at 11 to 13 minutes. Please advise, period. Thanks, comma, in advance, comma, for your prompt assistance, period. Regards, comma, Wyman. Okay, so it's off. Alright. Okay, so featured all packages, system tools, games. What kind of games do they have out of curiosity? They consider wine a game? Last time I tried to install wine, it gave me an error. Let me see if it does this time too. Compatibility layer for running Windows applications on Linux. The applications are run at full speed without the need for CPU emulation. Wine does not require Windows, however, it can use native system DLL files in place of its own if they're available. This meta package always depends on the default version of Wine. Compatibility layer. Oh. You don't need to emulate CPU? That's interesting. Oh my gosh, it installed? Can we get Steam installed? Oh, whoops. Oh, here it is. Oh, wow. So on this version of Mint, it's allowing me to install this stuff. Does that mean I just install Windows games and then I can play them off the CD? Let me see something here. I'm going to try and enable the CD DVD virtually. Let me see what the configuration is. I'm surprised it's letting. Oh, yeah, some settings cannot be accessed. I've got 4 processors, 8 gigs of RAM, and 2 gigs of graphics. So it still kept those settings. Let me see. Configure Wine. Is being updated. Wine cannot find a mono package which is needed for .NET applications to work properly. It can automatically download and install it for you. Good, good, good. It's recommended to use your distributions packages instead. Mono. No clue. Let me get a software manager. Mono package, huh? Mono develop, mono complete. Oh, these are all from the web. I don't know what to use. Tons of fonts. Development tools. I'm going to trust in you. Couldn't find a Gecko package, which is needed for applications embedding HTML to work correctly. Wine can automatically download and install it for you. Please do. So Wine config is in home, and then parallels, and then .wine. Let me try and reconnect to Facebook while that's installing. Having trouble playing this video. Excuse me. Man, I hope I'm not coming down with something. Alright, so Facebook must be having issues. Cannot find a Gecko package needed for applications embedding HTML to work correctly. Please do. Please install. Okay, Wine config. It can mimic different Windows versions for each application. Tab is linked to the library. And graphics tabs to allow you to change system-wide or per application settings in those as well. Neat. And Update Manager didn't have anything for me, right? System up to date. Excuse me. How did I get to version 20 then? If I'm up to date. Hold on a minute. Let me check something. Be right back. Parallels. Control Center. File, new. Okay, so. Yeah, there's only one version of Free Mint over here. How weird. How did I get updated to 20 point something at one point? 20.3. I wanted to go to the Software Center because I wanted to see if they had Brave. Whoops. Gnome Brave icon theme. Cheeky Brave theme. Oh, I guess not. Any other browsers available? Image viewer browser, Gmail, SQLite, Pix, Dual, Windows compatibility layer. 5 reviews only? Huh. What's that one browser I have? Pale Moon. Do you have Pale Moon? All right. Forget you. Excuse me. I wonder why it won't let me. Oh, I might have restrictions on the. I might have it configured to not. Well, I'm surprised it. Anyway, never mind. I'm surprised they're linked. So that was wine. Let's add Steam to the panel. There we go. Was that considered a click? Are you going to launch? Are you trying to launch? Excuse me. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's interesting. All right, I've got Update Manager here. Removable drives. Parallels. Connected to Word. What does Parallels have? System settings, lock screen, switch user, log out, power off. Huh. Excuse me. So I can remove Update Manager because it's already here. Wait, hold on. Yeah. System is up to date. Does seem to be able to remove it here. Fail to unmount. Maybe this version of Steam is too old. It's not launching at all. Okay. Well, I think we're done messing around with Mint for now. I'm not making much progress. I was so hoping to get this updated to the very, very, very latest, but let me look at my control manager and how this is listed. Is it listed as version 8? Well, you know what? Excuse me. Let me restart for a good measure. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Let me see something here. Oh, fudge. Whoops. Let me see something here. There's the patch. Do I have the installer here? Crud. Let me see. Excuse me. I don't even know if I have the original CD anymore. I might. There's a. Alright, so software manager. Steam doesn't want to launch. Well, does it? Oh! It's got a little circle and a slash. Cancel. Oh, cold, man. Okay. Why would it let me install it? Maybe it was for older versions of Mint or Linux. Software. Okay, games. Drakon. So no results, huh? Okay, so let's try this. Let's go Firefox. Good old games.com. Wait, what was that screen? End of life? What's end of life? Version of Linux Mint is no longer supported. Might still remain functional for a while and no longer receives a Linux Mint release is supported for 5 years. Create the bootable media. That would be smart, wouldn't it? You know what? Hold on. Excuse me. Whoa. Oh, wait, what? No, yeah. Show bookmarks toolbar. There we go. I think I can delete the getting started, but I do want to bookmark that. Linux Mint install guide. Ah, whoa. What a long name. What the hell, people? Let's keep it short and sweet, shall we? All right, there we go. Cinnamon, Mate, or XFC. Most modern, innovative, and full-featured desktop. More traditional and faster desktop. Most lightweight desktop. I want to try the Cinnamon, I think. Most popular version of Linux Mint is Cinnamon. It's primarily developed for and by Linux Mint. Slick, beautiful, full of new features. Oh, that's just a screenshot. You can try and boot Linux Mint 64. If it isn't compatible, nothing bad will happen. You'll just get an error message. You cannot boot or install Linux Mint because your hardware's... Oh. Tip or no? It should be able to do 64. Dude, where do I find this, though? Create, install the live session. When you boot the computer from the USB stick, starts the live session. It logs you in automatically. Oh. So I guess I expect you to print this off, unless you can memorize it. Let me go to the software manager again. Oh wait, no, that's Steam. Never mind. Darn it. Let's remove Steam. Actually, no. Let's leave it for now. Let's go to software manager. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. As, what's that app again? Uh-oh. Oh, the one from the 80s and 90s? It was a chat program. Mint cinnamon. Mint menu, mint update. Alright, so that's already installed.